Simon, can I sit here? Please? Get down. Get down. Please? Get down. I want to sit in the chair. Please? Come on. Move. Can I sit? Go on. Move. Move. Simon, please. Please, kitty. I want to... Please. I want to sit down and drink my coffee. Come on. Get down. Please. Go on. Go. Get off the chair. Please. Simon. Can I sit there? Please? Go on. It's your chair? I don't think so. Dude, come on. Simey. Can I sit there, please? I want to sit in the chair. It's my chair. Please? Move. Okay, I'm going to sit on you. I'm going to sit on you. Oh, I'm sitting. Simon, move. Please. I love you. Please? Oh, I love you. Come on, get down, please. Simon, please. Please get down. Come on. Please. He won't move his booty, and he's so big. Simon. Please. Please, kitty. I want to sit down and drink my coffee. My coffee's sitting right there, waiting for me. I want to drink my coffee, man. Come on. Please. Move. He won't go. He won't go. Sweetie pie. He won't let me push him off the chair. Finally. Go play with your string. It's right there. Sorry, man. Sorry. Gotta do it. Thanks. Is my coffee?